Hello students, this is our first lesson for Vedic mathematics tricks. So these are the things I'm going to cover here. Okay, let's start. First we will learn how to calculate square of any number which is ending with 5. That means 35, 95, 135, etc. Okay, so let's do this. What we will do is we will do 5 into 5, it is 25. Then what we will do is 2, instead of 2 we will multiply it with 2 plus 1, which is 3. So multiply it with 3, one number above this digit. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 625 is our answer. Let's apply this trick to second question. Okay, 5 into 5, 25. 6 into 7 is equals to 42. 42 is our answer. Now pause the video and check this and write answer in comment. Okay. You want to multiply any number with 11, 111, 1111 and so on. You can do it with this easy method. Okay, what we will do is, let's see a step-by-step procedure. First we will start from the rightmost number and then as it is a 2-digit number, then we will starting adding 2 digits, 63, 62, 52 and then finally 5. Okay, so let's see that. Starting from the leftmost number, we will write 3. Now 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Now 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Now 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now and the answer is 5. So 57893 is our answer. Here you pause the video and try to do this question, and if you stuck, then see how I have done it. Okay, starting from the leftmost. 1 plus 6 plus 1, 7. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is equals to 12 and we have a carry of 1 right now. Now what we will do is 6 plus 5 plus 2 is 13 plus 1 carry, so it is 14 ka 4, then 1 is again carry. Okay, then 5 plus 2 is 7 and the carry 1 is equals to 8. 8 we will write here and then finally we will write only 2. So 2561 multiply with 111 is equals to this. This is our final answer. Thank you very much. And let's start with this. Okay, so how you can do that? Actually it is 3, not 28, it is 38. Okay, so how you can do that? There is a little restriction in this trick as it is a very basic trick in Vedic mathematics. So what we have is the last 2 digits sum should add up to 10 and other digits should be same. Okay, 3, it is 3 and it is 3, it is same. So now how we can do this? We can do 8 into 2, 16, and instead of 3 into 3 we will do 3 plus 1, which is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. 1216 is our answer. Okay, now pause the video and try this question. How we will do it? We will do it in 2 parts. 9 into 1, which is 09. 6 into 7, which is 42. So 4206 9 is our answer. Right, you can do this to many other numbers. 93 into 97, 136 into 134, and so on. Okay, please show the support. So it is also a very basic trick you can use to subtract from 100, 1000, 10,000s, and so on. How you will do it? Instead of starting from rightmost digit, we will start from left. And what we will do is, all the numbers are from 9 and last one from 10. Okay, basically. Now see that. Okay, so 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4, basically 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 4, 5. And 10 minus 6, 4. So it is our answer. Now multiply any number with the series of 9. Okay, how we can do that? What we'll do is, let's see, subtract 1 from it, which is 46. Write it on the left side, and then do 99 minus 46, which is 3 and 5. Write 53 here, and it is our answer. As it is also a very basic trick, so it has its limitation. The digit of this number and this number should be same. It is a 2-digit number, it is a 2-digit number. But we can extend it. You can write, if you want to multiply 47 into 999, then how you can do that? You will write a 0 in front of 47 and do the same as possible. 0, 4, 6, and then the rest will 9, 5 and 3. Basically it is like that. Okay, so thank you very much. Show some support. Okay.